Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I will show you how to put password on profile in Netflix. Let's start. So, there's like other video tutorials that I mentioned there wherein the good thing about Netflix is you could set different profiles. So, say for example, if you're like a family of five and you would want to have, different profiles for, for each of your family members, and you can do that just, for having one Netflix account because not all of you, of course, would have the same genre or the same preference on what you want to watch. So each and everyone would you can actually keep, a profile, and then you can just choose that if you're the one who's gonna be watching or using the Netflix account. Now, say for example, if I would want one certain profile to be password protected, you could also do that as well to make sure that just want to make sure that your profile is secured. So I'll show you how. Now, what you need to do is you actually go to your account. So just to make sure that I'm not going to be showing you personal information, once you are on your account, you go down and then you would be able to see, profile and parental controls. Say, for example, if I want to put a password for this one, this is how you're going to do it. So click on the arrow right here and then look for the option that says profile lock. And this is how you're going to change it. So once you're there, guys, just put on your password here. And then, you're basically your Netflix account password. So you're going to put it there. And then you hit on continue. The next page would actually lead you to, it would actually lead you to the next page where you could set, the password for the profile. And once that's done, that's it. That's very easy. Now, in case you forget how it's done, after this tutorial, you could always go to Help Center where you could just type what you need. So say for instance, in this case, you would want to know how to put password on your profile. You could also do that here and it will give you the page where you need to check. So that's it. It's pretty easy. If you want to learn more about Netflix videos, guys, just subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.